Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create food recipes using AI or ChatGPT to be specific. First of all guys, I will need you to go through your PC and open any kind of browsers that you have on it. For example, for me, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, go ahead into the URL section and search for OpenAI. Now, click on this try and now, of course, if you didn't have an account already, make sure to create one. You can just log in using Gmail account or Facebook account or even Twitter account, or you can just create an account like normally, email, password, and etc. Now, after that, let's go ahead and type hi. So I'm using this method, which is typing like simple things like hi or hello to start a conversation with the bot so it can answer me. Because sometimes if you text him, like for example, a problem directly, it will not answer you and it will be like there is a high traffic data and you can't really chat with him. So now let's ask him about, for example, food. What do you think about food? For example, what do you think about food? Of course, it's an AI, so I don't think he will know anything. As a language model, I don't have personal opinions or feelings, so etc. I know that already. So, can you give me food recipe? So, now, sure, I'd be happy to give you some food recipes. What type of recipes are you looking for? So, here we are going to determine, for example, let's ask him about a pizza recipe. So, can you write me a recipe of cheap pizza, for example? Sure, here's a recipe for a cheap pizza and easy homemade pizza. So this is it. Like it's pretty simple. You just go and ask it, and here you go. Now it will give you every single detail, like instructions, how to do it, and even though, like for example, if they give it in Fahrenheit, it will give you also in Celsius. So yeah, guys, that's how you can actually create or get recipes using AI or ChatGPT. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.